Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me?
Happy birthday! Oh my goodness! Macaroni turns 1. Oh, ow.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Look at those daggers. Look at those daggers.
One thing is for sure, we're just the help, and they're definitely the
Can I
boss. If you've survived the cat's attitude today,
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.